I never liked kids, even when I was one. Never had much use for them in my line of work. To be honest, for the past 2 years, I didn't have a line of work. The only line I ever knew was the one that wrapped around St. Anthony's soup kitchen. It wasn't the Ritz, but at least I knew what to expect. What I didn't expect was these 4 kids. They'd lost their parents, and the court was about to split them up because they didn't have a living relative. So they went out shopping. I'm not sure why they picked me. Maybe it was my charm, my sense of style, my availability. At any rate, we struck a deal. I get room and board, and they get a grandpa. I don't know who's got the better end of the bargain, but you know, I could get used to this.